Well, they got a thing right there. The man right there.
So we go inside?
Sam, I don't know. I ain't been here. I've been here first time like you.
Our video. Y'all can talk about video.
We have a tour at 1:15. Go through. Got you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Goddamn, non-hearing motherfuckers. Go straight and then to the right.
I don't think so.
Go straight and then to the right.
Oh, okay.
Non-hearing ass people up front.
Sam asking me like, I ain't never been to the same place.
Where we go? Where we go? Which way we supposed to go?
He said first one to the right, right?
I got your video for you, Sam. I got your video.
So what is all that over there? Hello. Hola. I'm gonna get me some too. Cause this pulling out the phone thing take too long. Ooh, they got a little bar over there, y'all. They got a little bar. They got a little bar right there. This is, what's this? Oh, the Barcardi distillery. And we're going on a tour. And take place in Barcardi.
You have a strong urge to smoke, you can do so at the designated smoking area. Where is it at? Back there, really at the very end. So I said, no, let's get two more stories because everything is here. Discovery 4, 18, 6, 8, 2, Now, 74 years later, in 1936, we established our first facility here in Puerto Rico. 1936? Ochoa building. Yep, that's what he said. It's still there in Old Town 1, as a matter of fact. So if you go there, you go to the docks where all the cruise lines are. At the very end, this very large building. That's beautiful. Yeah, you really can't miss it. It has a big billboard outside that says, Walk Walker. If you're get your phone up, you just something. And post it on social media. Hashtag #Barcardi. If you look good in it, we'll post ourselves along.
Oh, we looking good, baby!
In 1958, we moved across the bay. We landed right here in Cadaño. Ever since becoming the largest rum distillery in the world. That's right. We here are 127 acres large. For those that reckon small fans down there, that's about 96 football fields of pure Barcardi rum. Not cool.
Drunk bag. Is that the drunk bag?
Right. We got a couple cool buildings on all sides. This on the right hand side is the Barcardi Gallery with the event and anniversaries, all sorts of things. On the left hand side, that small building right there, that is the one, the only employee area. That's right, that's one of the stuff. You might notice that amazing batch right on the side. You might have wondered, hey, what's up with that? What's up? That's for our next episode, right? We'll figure it out a little bit later. For now, I want to talk a little bit more about introduction. Now, what we're going to see here to the right, all this here is all about one thing only. That's making love. The production one. First, only here to the right, to the large glass windows, is the blending facility of the extra two blenders who work to make the amazing drums. You see all over the world. The building itself is named after our previous global action blender. And Maestro Jose Gomez. He gave us an amazing 40 years of service. That's right, 40 years. So we just named the whole thing after because, you know, why not? The service. Nowadays we have an amazing team of blenders, including, for example, Omar. We have Luz Maria. Luz Maria is the very first female Puerto Rican blender in Baja history. That's right. And she making, you know, like the magic of this. So we gotta show some love, guys. They're over there working hard every single day. Every single day, and we don't see them at all, right? But they're there, and without them, we got no love. That's now between the two buildings, right? You guys see back there those 5 large pillars? Those are distillation columns. Those 5 are in charge of making one of our 2 rum bases. The one we call Filado. Whereas behind the base room, right there by who owns himself, a single column, there will make the other rum base. That one we call Aguardiente. Aguardiente and Filado are 2 rum bases, so we'll talk about them a little bit for now. I want you guys to keep an eye on the building itself. That is called like Catedral del Tron, or the Egyptian store of rum. Right. It's like, you know, rum church. It's where we store our most important asset, which is the very same single straight ethos like Barcardi, all the way back in 1862. So it's still alive and kicking. It's right there on the 4th floor. It's behind 3 steel doors. There's really only 5 people in the world that
Still makes the same out.
but it's still pretty cool, right? So, without that, we ain't got no rum either, right? So, you see, there's some tendency here. We need a lot of these working pieces to come together to make sure that at the end of the day, we're left with an amazing rum. Now, you might be wondering where the yeast comes into play, and that's at fermentation. And fermentation is done right here on the left-hand side. You see the large round tanks? The fermentation tanks, okay. Each one with a capacity of about 55,000 gallons. We have 20 of them in total. That means with that scale, we're able to actually ferment non-stop. So we do 24/7 fermentation and 24/7 distillation as well. Meaning that our distillery here runs around the clock every single day. We're making the same rum for you guys. That's right. But to do that, we do need a lot of molasses. So if you look here to the right at the end of the street, all the way to the back, you see those just that one massive thing back there? That's one of 3. With all 3, we boast a total of 7.5 million gallons of molasses. That's right. Now we have 3 other tanks that are running in Puerto Rico, and then we have just around 15 million gallons of molasses. So one thing we want to know is that it's making amazing Barcardi rum. Right? So, right.
Get the mission.
That's it. This is going to be your stop. Take it to the right of that side. Once I come to a full hand stop. Alright? Now make sure to take everything with you. Don't leave anything behind, as our next tour guide will be taking this trolley. And I don't want you guys to lose anything. Alright? So, from here on, let's make our way to our culture, the legacy experience, shall we?
Shall we now?
Oh, we get out now?
So we can sit down. I want a glass. Can I keep that glass? How much is the glass? I want that glass. Right? Yeah, I want that glass. I want a set of glasses. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Boom, 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 boom. A boogala. A boogala. You ain't do your booty.
You got the papa.
The papa boob? The papa double. Papa double. Doble. Papa doble.
Cheers, yo. Cheers.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Have a beautiful day.
You too. We'll see you when we come back, okay?
We'll see you here.
Okay.
If you don't see me, it's because I'm in lunch, but I'm here all day.
We'll be back by 1. Our tour's at 1:15. We'll be back.
Fine.
We'll be back by 2:15.
Right, let me...
I had one I ain't like. You got a video?
Yeah.
What you doing with that?
Building, I'm giving me a fresh bottle. Right. Everything that you need to know about Barcardi, from its humble beginnings to where we are today and everything that happened in between. So, with that said, get comfortable and see you.
Welcome to our home. Bienvenido. Too low.
A little bit more. You get an understanding of how the drum gets played, right? We're making our drum romantic with all that stuff, but at the end of this relation, from 20, 30, 40, all the way up to 80% alcohol. And so we took this one barrel and we did not know, so, you might be wondering right about now, who we did that? The Pirates of the Caribbean. Yeah, these guys from plenty of rum. I love it. Yeah. That was so cheesy. She didn't go all the way, she didn't commit. She was like, all right. Like she was spelling the alphabet. So, anyhow, man, the Pirates were published for Mataliao killed them. Yeah, they called them killed them because they said when they drank the rum, they were purging of all the evil spirits and demons inside. Make you feel better, you know. Let's get you. But here's the deal. There was a little truth behind it. There was. The pirates would spend months at sea, 6, 7 months, right? And they get really bored. That's why they drank the rum in the first place. It's not because it tasted good, it was the only thing they had. Right? So, but they also suffered from a lot of scurvy and illnesses because of the unhygienic place they were at. And mainly a lot of them suffered from scurvy, which is the lack of vitamin C. Now, the rum tasted bad, really bad. So they started adding things to it to make it taste better. That's because whenever they would go to any islands, especially here in the Caribbean, they would eat that native Indian cuttings. And then see these guys have their remedies for sicknesses and things like, some herbs all put together. And so they started integrating that into the rum. So they started adding a little mints, a little sugar, a little lime. Sound familiar?
Mm-hmm. Tequila. I said tequila and some mojito.
Save the lives. Fermented, distilled, all these things together creates the final product. And so if you have some mistakes along the way, you fix them, and at the end you're going to show up doing that final product as well. So it's very important that when you were making rum, you make rum first with the best ingredients you get. Because rum has only 3 ingredients: water, molasses, and yeast. You only have 3 ingredients. You better bet they're going to be good. Alright? And so you can already see with those liquor stores, thousands of rums, and that's with only 3 ingredients. Right? So there is really impressive aspect of playing with these ingredients. Yeast itself can be there 2 hours on the yeast. Right? I was the first domesticated living organism we actually worked with before passing out to the seeds, right? Before harvesting food, planting food around, forming societies, we were already working with these to create alcohol, right? So all these things are kind of a little faster than the play with actually about being spirits, right? But at the end of the day, it's all kind of sort of like because their job is to step in to that warehouse, select the barrels they want, and then bring them together and blend them to shape the rum itself. All the flavor is there, and then pieces together to express them in the right way. That means every single rum cab is different. Why? Because I don't have to add the same amount of what the end of and so those differences is what actually makes each and every one of the rums unique. So the 4-year rum is not 8-year rum. But it's rum based 85% is really not used for consumption. I mean, this thing catch on fire, it's really crazy. That's why we go smoking, because our fire. But it's all even higher yet.